What do we got here, Mom? What do we got?
Garlic.
What are we doing?
Well, I forgot to put them in last year, so I kept them in the fridge and they started sprouting. So now I'm taking them out and I'm gonna put them in hopefully this week so I can save them. And I'm trying to save some because I'm gonna make fermented honey.
Ooh, that'd be a cool video, right?
Fermented honey?
Just honey and garlic, right?
Yeah.
Are we doing that today?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, yeah. I gotta see if I got enough honey.
I think we got enough honey.
So all those I'm gonna replant.
So all the sprouts we're
missed.
gonna replant,
Yeah,
and
well,
the other ones honey garlic.
Yeah, some are mixed. Some are soft neck and some are hard neck. So yeah.
That's
so
all right,
I'm
we'll
just
get
gonna plant them all. New growth. Who's that, Mia? You can smash them, but I don't want to smash them.
Go now. You're fine.
Yeah, and then it sits, and it'll just, that's good. Oh, cool, I'll get in there. Just leave it sitting on the counter for a little bit. About 2 weeks. Took them apart. Usually you keep the biggest pieces from what you plant. You take out the biggest pieces, so you plant your biggest pieces, and then you get even bigger yet. But they all started growing, so we're gonna try and get them in this week, hopefully. And if it stays warm, you can get the asparagus in, the garlic in, and all these little guys. So I don't have to find out that I've been using garlic from China. This is 2 years worth. So that's how big the pieces came from a bulb. Pretty big. And then they'll plant them. Boop. And get bigger ones. And have my own. Don't have to worry about China.